Hey, what's up there everybody? Steve with the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, and today I'm out kayak bass fishing with my buddy Christian and my daughter Kira. So stick around and check out all the fun and mishaps and the laughs. Don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that like button, and definitely drop a comment down below. Let's get into it. I've got one.
Mind if I borrow it?
Nah, I don't care.
Can't believe I forgot that freaking thing, dude. So disappointed in myself. Cute brother. You gonna catch another nice fish today? This is where she got that other one. Bless you. Yeah, I know Jason gave me that one. Hey,
Plus yours is a nicer graph. And oh, we should be so lucky.
you know me, I always try and stay strapped.
I always try and burn the first cast back to me because I'm afraid I'm gonna catch something.
Do what?
I said I always try to burn my first cast back because I'm always afraid I'm gonna catch something.
Right? Why put down what's working?
I literally never touched another one of my rods the other day out here.
That's nuts, man.
It was all day and all of a sudden I was like, wow, I haven't had to pick up another rod. That's weird.
Right? You cool if I go up around you?
Go for it.
Alright.
The bank straight across where all that stuff's hanging, I caught a bunch of them in there.
All that timber and stuff? So
Yeah. My biggest was like 16 3/4, and I think that's where I got it.
Right. As they say, everything just looks really...
Oh, that's not grass. Grass, that's a fish. Yeah, I thought it was grass and the grass started taking turns. Like, why is my grass turning? Look at that, guys. Definitely not an upgrade. Nice start to the day, though. Peace out, Girl Scout. Like, the closer you get to the back of the pockets, it gets super shallow and mucky.
Okay.
So, like, where that tree's sticking out of the water is only like a half a foot.
Ew, yeah.
Oh, not me. I hammer it till it's wore out. There we go. It's running at me. It's been here before. That feels like a nice one. Oh shit, it's running. Shit. Not a bad one. Not as big as I was expecting for all that chaos. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna casually pull it up to the boat. She said, I'm gone. That's gonna be an upgrade, I think. That might be maybe a 17. What? Okay. All right, guys, let's have a look-see here. We're gonna get the phone out because I'm pretty sure it's an upgrade over my smallest one at the very least. Good fishy. Cooperate. You are a marvelous specimen. Check the photo. All right, guys. That is a 17 and a quarter. 17.25. What a beautiful fish. Look at the gullet on that thing. Is gullet the right word? I don't know. All right, let's get you back in the water, homeboy. Peace out, Girl Scout. There we go. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah, I've got a good one on. Or at least one that's really fighting like a good one. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Come here. Oh, that's a real good fish. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. That is a fat fish. Look at that thing. Guys, I'm gonna call this an 18. That should probably be a 20, but it is so fat. Choked it. It might be a 4.5. Look at this thing. Look how fat this thing is.
Oh yeah.
Look at the head on that boy. You know where he was? Living up under this tree. I slipped the chatterbait up in there and bam! All right, let's get the phone out because I know for a fact it's an upgrade. I'm calling it an 18 or an 18 and a half, but I think it really should measure out as a 20 based on the head of this thing. Maybe it will, we'll see. Close your mouth. Oh yeah, baby. Relax. Close your mouth. Relax. Put your tail down. Right there, don't move. All right, y'all. That is 19 and a quarter. Look at that one. So it's not in the 20-inch class that we need, but we definitely need fish like this. That is a beautiful, beautiful bass. Let's get her back in the water. Thanks for playing. Off you go. Tiny little fella. There we go. Might be a good one. Oh, there he goes. He was further away than I thought. That's a long one. It's longer than I was expecting. All right, guys, that's a 16 and a half. Not a bad fish at all. Let's get you back in the water. Thank you.
trying to not catch a tree.
For what it's worth, they come out of that tree fairly well.
Yeah, they do.
At least so far.
I don't know why I am creeping up into you, but we're gonna hit our handy little.
The bite was slowed down. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh. I shouldn't have boat flipped it, but there was no time for the net because he stomped it at the end, and that sucks. And that might have been an upgrade. Wasn't a giant, but I figure it's probably close to 17, if not a little more. Oh man, there was just like, that sucks. But honestly, by the time I could have turned, grabbed the net, like even if I was facing the net, there still wasn't a lot of time. What I really did wrong is when I went to boat flip him, I should have just let a little bit more line out and boat flipped him differently so it wasn't as awkward. But that was like half-ass panic. Let's see if we can get back on another one. All right guys, sorry about the wind noise. My extended battery died, so I actually don't know what you guys missed and what you did miss. Oh, boat ramp's looking busy. But anyway, we've only got about 15 minutes of fishing time left, and then we have to head for the ramp, so. Okay.